Hello, my name's Phil Catley, Dealer Manager for Kubota UK. I'm going to take a little bit of time today to run through the GR1600-II. The GR1600-II is the first ride-on cut and collect machine in the Kubota range. The Kubota GR1600-II is a great little machine. It's a 42-inch cut and collect ride-on mower. Kubota have really thought about driver comfort with this machine. They've also thought really hard about driver safety. In terms of comfort, we have a really nice level platform, easy access for people of all heights to get on and off the machine. We also have a hydrostatic drive system on the machine. One pedal on the right-hand side controls backwards and forward speed. We also have a gas-assisted cutting height lever. So this lever drops the cutter deck in and out of the cutting position. We also have an easy to use height of cut control dial down here on the floor. So you can set the height of the deck with the dial and then just lift the deck in and out of the cutting position. You engage the cutter deck with the yellow lever on the left-hand side of the machine. The deck feels really light and easy to use due to the gas-assisted ram on the height lever. We also have, in terms of safety, reverse mow. There's a button on the left-hand side of the dashboard. Once you press that, you can then use the machine mowing backwards. Also, in terms of safety, we have a seat belt. Also, it has the rollover protection system as well. The GR1600 uses a very simple cut and collect system. The cutter deck is mounted in the middle of the machine. It cuts the grass, sends it through the collection chute underneath the seat, so it's got very small distance to travel, straight into the large 370 litre collector on the back of the machine. The grass box is very simple and easy to operate and empty. Simply lift the lever on the back of the machine, tilt it forward to empty the grass. You have a second lever here on the right hand side of the machine which operates a small plate in the collection chute, so it clears the throw plate. When you've cleared the throw plate, simply pull the lever back up, push the lever over and drop it back down into position. Emptying of the grass box is made to feel much, much lighter due to the assistance of this gas-assisted ram working in conjunction with the grass box lever. Gaining access to the engine on the GR1600 is really easy. Located at the back of the bonnet is a small handle grip. Simply pull the bonnet forward, which will reveal the engine, where you can do your daily checks, such as checking the air filter, checking the oil level, and checking the coolant level. Because Kubota are using this twin-cylinder diesel engine with plenty of torque, they've had to opt for a shaft drive system as opposed to a belt drive system found on most conventional garden ride-on machines. If you require any more information on the GR1600, please log on to the Kubota website, where you'll be able to download the brochures. You'll also be able to use the dealer locator, punch in your postcode, find your closest dealer, and they'll be happy to do any demonstrations you may require. All Kubota ground care machines come with a standard 2-year warranty. This can be upgraded to a 5-year warranty if required. You can also buy into service packages up to 5 years, giving you a cost per day or a cost per hour ownership if required.